Hi guys, I'm Brigette, also known as Acquired Style on Instagram and TikTok. And today I'm here on the Luxy Hair YouTube channel to talk about my iconic hair rollers that I did a collaboration with Luxy Hair. So today I'm gonna take you guys through 3 hairstyles that I like to do with my hair rollers. Obviously they're all gonna start out with a voluminous, bouncy, perfect salon blowout at home. So we're gonna start by taking them out, which is everyone's favorite part. And while I take them out, I'm gonna tell you guys some unique things about my rollers and what makes them different from any other rollers that you can get. So starting with the gorgeous bag that it comes in, it's this vegan leather pouch and it says Luxy AKA Acquired Style. That's us. It's literally perfect, and even if you don't want to keep your rollers in this is just like perfect to have as a makeup bag for traveling or to hold like other hair products in. You can really do whatever you want with it. So there's 24 Velcro rollers in each set, 6 in each color. I would say that this is my favorite size. It's the medium size, and I think it just creates the most perfect curl. The pack also comes with 24 clips. These are the long stem clips. I love these clips so much. It's so important to have a long stem clip when you're using Velcro rollers because it keeps the whole entire roller intact. It's not gonna move, it's not gonna fall out, and it's gonna help you create that perfect curl. A lot of people think that Velcro rollers causes breakage. That's not gonna be the case when you're using these rollers. You just have to be super careful when you're putting them in and taking them out, but that just goes with pretty much any hair tool. You really just have to be careful with the way you do it. So I like to twist and glide them like this when I take them out. I just think it helps not cause any breakage. Another thing about my rollers that I love is this extra small size that I have right here. I wanted to incorporate this in my set because I had a lot of trouble finding roller sets that included an extra small size, and I need this size for the bangs. I always do one going out and one going in, and it really creates the perfect swoop, just like this. Okay, so really my favorite hairstyle to do with the rollers is just the classic blowout. This really is my go-to. I pretty much do it once a week, if not more. I just think it looks so effortless and clean and just like really makes me happy when I have a fresh looking blowout. And it truly does look like you just stepped out of the salon. Okay, so I'm gonna brush through my hair and I'm gonna show you guys the next hairstyle. Okay, for the sake of the second hairstyle, I put the 2 front rollers back in my hair. This one's probably the easiest because you really only need 2 rollers. You don't need to have a perfect voluminous blowout for this hairstyle, but it will look a little bit better if you have it. Okay, so like I said, this one's very simple, but it pretty much like broke the internet when I posted it on TikTok, so obviously I'm gonna share it with you guys. So you're just gonna start out by putting your hair in a ponytail. Simple enough. You wanna go like this to make it a little bit higher and voluminous, like that. Okay, and then you're gonna take the 2 rollers out, and I'm telling you guys, rolling 1 piece front and 1 piece back is like the perfect combination. You're just gonna put the 2 pieces like this, give them that little swoop, and then there you have it. It's just like a little elevated ponytail that just looks so classy and chic, and it seriously could not be easier. Okay, these next 2 hairstyles are specifically more for the holidays. So I pulled out this little holiday scarf, and I just think using a scarf for your hairstyles during the holidays is just such an easy way to make the hairstyle a little bit more exciting. So I just folded the scarf in half and I'm rolling it up like this to make it like a little bit of a headband. Okay, I'm gonna put it behind my neck, go like this, tie it twice, and then you're going to turn it around so the bow is on the bottom, then adjust it. Okay, so we're gonna take our hair and put it half up, half down, like this, put it into a little pony. Again, the bangs are out with their little swoop. And then you're gonna take the rolled up scarf, tie it behind the ponytail, and then you're going to put a little knot, and then another knot. And look at this. Like, this is seriously such a cute hairstyle. You can use any ribbon. I think even just like a plain black ribbon would look super cute like this. And it's just super elevated and perfect for the holidays. Okay, and for the last hairstyle, using the ribbon again, tied the same way. And you're gonna use it as a headband this time. So I'm just tying it around like this, and then I'm tying 2 knots again underneath. You just want to position it so that it's going to stay. And then you're going to pull the hair out the back. And again, could not be easier, but seriously looks so cute. This is really getting me excited for the holidays. I think this one might have taken me 30 seconds. Okay guys, thanks so much for joining me today. I had so much fun creating some hairstyles for you guys, especially since the holidays are coming up. It's a perfect time to try out new hairstyles and experiment a little bit. And if you want to treat yourself this holiday season or a loved one, I think personally that the Luxy Hair X Acquired Style collab is literally the perfect gift. Like, you simply cannot go wrong. And look how much fun they are to play with. Literally unlimited hairstyles. Okay, till next time. Bye guys.